Planning for development. Next, lifting India was Indians out of poverty and building a modern technical and industrial base were among the major objectives of the new nation in 1950. The government set up a planning commission to help design and execute suitable policies for economic development. There was a board agreement on what was called a mixed economy model. Here, both the state and the private sector would play important and complementary role in increasing production and generating jobs. While especially these roles were to be which industries should be initiated by the state and which by the market. How to achieve a balance between the different regions to and state was to be defined by the planning commission. Next, in 1956 the second 5-year plan was formulated. This focused strongly on the development of heavy industries such as steel and on the building of large dams. These sectors would be under the control of the state. This focus on heavy industries and the efforts at state regulation of the economy was to guide economic policy for the next few decades. This approach had many strong supporters but also some vocal criticism. Next, Nehru on the 5-year plan. Some felt that it had put inadequate emphasis on agriculture. Others argued that it had neglected primary education. Still others believed that it had not taken account of the environmental of economic policies. As Mahatma Gandhi follower Mira Bain wrote in 1949, by science and missionaries in mankind may get hug returns for a time, but ultimately will come dislocations. We have got to study Nehru's balance and develop our lives within her laws if we are to survive as a physically healthy and morally decent species. Next, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was a great supporter of the planning process. He exemplified the ideas and purpose of planning in a series of letters he wrote to the chief minister of the different states. In a letter of 22 December 1952, he said that next, behind the first 5-year plan lies the conceptions of India's unity and a mighty cooperative efforts of all the people of India. We have to remember always that it is not merely the governmental machinery that counts in all this, but even more so the enthusiasm and cooperation of the people. Our people must have the sensations of participation in a mighty enterprise of being fellow travelers towards the next goal that they and we have set before us. The plan may be and has to be based on the calculation of economics, statisticians and the like, but figure and statistics very important is the or do not give life to the scheme. That breath of life comes in other ways, and it is for us now to make this plan which in cold print something living, vital and dynamic, which captures the people. Next, the nation 60 years ago